Hello, today I will be showing you how we can solve this type of Excel issue. So once we try to open any Excel file, the data is not loaded, and when we try to open from control open and here, so it shows the data. To solve this issue, just go to the file tab and find the options. Under options you have to find the advanced tab and scroll down for the general tab. Under this, just uncheck this option and press OK. Just close all the Excel files which are currently being open and try again by reopening it. So I will try again by reopening it and it will work.